Hi. Welcome to the HSA YouTube channel. In this video we cover 7+1 interesting facts about the Earth. The Earth, home to us all, was created about 4.5 billion years ago, and a billion years after its birth the first signs of life appeared. Earth, also known as Planet Blue, is the third planet in the solar system. Its tiny neighbor, the Moon, orbits it once every 27 days, while the Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days. But did you know that it might not have been blue in the past? Or which is the largest living thing on our life-giving planet? Here are some fascinating facts about our planet you may not have heard. We'll continue after the intro. One. The life-giving water. The Earth is called the blue planet because the majority of its surface, 71% to be precise, is covered in water. But did you know that only 3% of this abundance is drinking water? Not much, is it? By contrast, our seas and oceans contain enough salt to cover the entire landmass of the Earth, up to 152 meters high. 2. The Moon was once part of the Earth. According to a study by Swedish scientists, around 4.36 billion years ago, planet Earth collided with a rocky planet called Theia, which orbited at the same radius as Earth, and the only permanent natural moon on our planet was born from the pieces of Earth that fell off. 3. The curiosities of gravity. Everyone knows that one of the things that makes the Earth so special and makes it habitable is gravity. But the force that holds your feet to the ground is not the same in different parts of the planet. The Andes, for example, have more gravity, while Hudson Bay has less. This is probably because the Earth, as we know, is not perfectly spherical. 4. A purple planet? Scientists believe that many years ago our planet was purple from space. That's because ancient microbes could have used a molecule other than green chlorophyll to harness the sun's rays, one that gave organisms a purple color. 5. Next door in a day. We know that the Earth can be divided into time zones, hence the curious fact that although Rose Atoll, part of American Samoa, is only 2,000 kilometers from Kiribati, part of Kiribati, the time difference between the two neighboring islands is exactly 24 hours. 6. A valley of Mars on Earth. With just 200 millimeters of rainfall a year, and even less in its interior, Antarctica is thought to be the world's largest desert. The most extreme desert region is the McMurdo Dry Valley. The downdraft winds, gusting at 320 km per hour, can dry up all the moisture in the area. As a result, the McMurdo Dry Valleys are considered the most Mars-like landscape on Earth. 7. Golden planet. Did you know that Earth has a lot of gold? Technically, more than enough to cover its entire surface. But there's a catch. Most of it's in the seas and oceans, where it's broken down into tiny flakes and not worth the energy invested to collect it. +1. The largest living creature. Now, when it comes to leges, I'm sure many of you think of the truly huge blue whale, but the top spot doesn't actually go to him. The largest living thing on Earth is a mushroom. Specifically, a colony of honey mushrooms in the Blue Mountains of Oregon, at least 2,400 years old. At 130 meters long and weighing 180 tons, it covers nearly 10 square kilometers with its spines. Like the video? If you liked it, please drop me a like and check out my channel for similar content. Have a nice day. Bye.